State versus Zach Graham, 15-357. Theft, aggravated robbery, arson, capital murder.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes. Okay, Mr. Graham, I'm looking at a police statement here. Is this your police statement?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Why don't I have you, as best you can, raise your hand. I'll have the clerk swear you in.
You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Okay, as I said, I've looked over your police statement. Sir, at this time, are you under the influence of any type of substance which would affect your ability to understand what's taking place here today?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you feel that you understand what's occurring?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over this police statement with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And as I think I previously asked, you signed the police statement, did you not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you understand what's in this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Just so it's clear, Mr. Chisholm, would you state the range of penalties for murder in the second, aggravated residential burglary?
No, I don't actually have that file in front of me. You'll tell me the classifications of those.
Class A felony, murder in the second on each count, 5 to 30 and/or up to a $10,000 fine. Is that correct,
You're
gentlemen?
correct, sir.
Aggravated residential burglary, 10 to 40 or life is the range of penalties. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you understood, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty to 2 counts of murder in the second degree and pleading guilty to aggravated residential burglary?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. By doing so, you're giving up your right to be tried by a jury. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't have a jury trial, you and your attorney, you would never get to challenge the evidence against you and confront the witnesses against you. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You could testify at a trial if you had one, but you wouldn't be required to. And if you chose not to, no one could comment on your choice not to testify. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to testify if you wanted to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and I'm sure your attorneys explained to you that the jurors would have to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Does he explain that to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And understanding these things, you're still giving up your right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
When you plead guilty to a crime, you also give up your right to an appeal. In other words, this is it. Whatever's recommended here, if I accept it, that's your sentence. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Giving up your right to an appeal. Has anyone threatened you or promised you or intimidated you in any way in order to get you to change your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you in any way to get you to change your plea?
No, Your Honor.
I know your attorney he's a good lawyer and he's gone over this with you in detail, I'm sure. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And he's advised you what he thinks you should do, has he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
But in spite of that, is the choice to plead guilty to these crimes your choice? And
Yes,
yours,
Your Honor.
And yours alone?
Yes, Your
Okay,
Honor.
you made the ultimate decision?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Chisholm, do you feel you have evidence to support the charges, or prove rather, the crimes of murder in the second degree, 2 counts, and aggravated residential burglary?
We do, Your Honor.
Do you think this plea is in the best interest of justice?
I do.
Have you communicated with the victim's family or representative of their family?
Your Honor, I have not.
Mr. Etheridge have? Are they basically in accord with this?
They're aware, Your Honor, that is correct.
Okay. Sir, I'd ask you, Kennedy?
Yes, Your Honor.
John Kennedy. Mr. Kennedy, you've explained this case to the defendant, have you not?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
And you've gone over all of his rights, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you see any defense which you think you could prevail on that would be meritorious?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. You've explained to him what the state would have to prove to convict him, have you not?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is the factual basis for this crime?
Your Honor, this arises out of a home invasion that took place on November 7th of 2015. Mr. Graham, along with a gentleman by the name of Nicholas Ruse, approached the residence of some individuals who lived here in Baxter County, a Mr. and Mrs. Rice, and during the course of a robbery of their home, Mr. and Mrs. Rice were killed.
Okay. Is that correct, Mr. Graham?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And this says that you would plead guilty to murder in the second degree, 2 counts, and receive a sentence of 25 years in the Arkansas Department of Corrections on each count to run concurrent. You'd also plead guilty to aggravated residential burglary, receive a sentence of 20 years in the Arkansas Department of Correction and plus fine and cost. Was that your understanding of the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you entering your plea because you're in fact guilty of these crimes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, at this time, I'll accept the recommendation as to your sentence. Have you got anything you want to say before I pronounce sentence?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. This time, sir, I accept the recommendation. I also adjudge you guilty of 2 counts of murder in the second degree. You'll be sentenced to 25 years in the Arkansas Department of Correction on each count. For aggravated residential burglary, you're sentenced to 20 years in the Department of Corrections. You're ordered to pay $200 in costs, a $1,000 fine, mandatory DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee. Pay the sums you owe at the rate, a minimum rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release from incarceration. Make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County. Is everything to run concurrent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
All counts run concurrent.
All right. Anything else, gentlemen?
Oh, Your Honor.
Okay, you're remanded to the custody of the Sheriff for transportation to the Department of Corrections. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.